Artificial intelligence, AI, is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a rapidly growing industry reshaping how businesses operate. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI platforms revolutionizing everything from content creation to data analysis, entrepreneurs now have unprecedented opportunities to build innovative and profitable ventures. But how do you actually build a business around AI tools? First, identify a problem that AI can solve better, faster, or cheaper than traditional methods. This could be automating repetitive tasks, personalizing customer experiences, analyzing data trends, or generating creative content. Your niche could range from legal research automation to AI-generated video editing for influencers. The key is to focus on a pain point that AI can meaningfully address. Second, choose the right AI tools for your target solution. Whether it's natural language processing, image generation, predictive analytics, or speech recognition, the tools must be reliable and scalable. Many platforms offer APIs or no-code integrations, making it easier than ever to build a product or service around them without needing deep technical skills. Next, develop a minimum viable product, MVP. Use AI tools to create a working version of your solution and test it with early users. Feedback is critical. Refine your offering to better suit user needs. Simultaneously, build your brand presence through social media, content marketing, and a strong value proposition that highlights how your AI-driven service is superior to conventional alternatives. Monetization can come in various forms: subscription models, per-use pricing, enterprise licensing, or even custom solutions for clients. Ensure that your pricing reflects the value delivered while remaining competitive. Don't forget to stay compliant with data privacy laws and ethical standards. Trust is crucial in AI-powered businesses. Finally, scale wisely. Invest in automation, gather user data to improve your models, and consider partnerships or funding if needed. The AI landscape evolves quickly, so remain agile and constantly look for ways to innovate. In a world where efficiency and personalization are king, building a business around AI tools isn't just smart, it's the future. Are you ready to turn algorithms into income and automation into impact? Now is the time to build.